I have here a 16 line laser. I'm gonna go ahead and open this up so we can take a look at it and see how well it works and what all it comes with. So inside here, it's got a really nice storage bag. Let's see what all is in here. Okay, so you can see it has lots of accessories. We're going to take them all out and have an up close look at what everything is. So I got everything taken out here. Right here we've got the laser level itself. Comes with 2 batteries, which is really nice, so you can be charging one while you're using one. Comes with a remote, so you can turn on and off the lasers remotely. And then it's got several mounting pieces, as well as this charger. So this mounting piece is got magnets and is used to attach it to a wall or something similar, and it's got a lot of adjustments here. This one is a secondary tripod mount that you can use to attach to the laser itself. This one can be used for if your wall is not magnetic, you can attach this to your wall and then use the magnet one. And then this one right here is a little lifting table. It's kind of a scissor lift that you can use to raise up the level if you need it to be a little bit higher. So this level has 4 different laser lines in it. It has 2 horizontal and 2 vertical. And then on the remote it has an H and a V, as well as the buttons on that for the horizontal or the vertical ones that you can use to toggle through. Right now I just have one of them on. You can see I just switched, pushed the button, it switched to the other one. If I push it again, it's going to turn both of them on. Now you can see there's 2 horizontal lines turned on. Now if I turn on the vertical, you can see now it has one going around this way. If I push it again, it's going to now be going around this way. And then one more click is going to turn on all of the lines. So I have a whole bunch of laser lines going around. So it covers the whole area, which makes it really nice. So keep in mind that this is an auto leveling system. So you can see if I move it, it's going to beep at me if I get out of range of the auto leveling. So if I tip it, you can see now it's beeping at me because it's not level. But if I let it go back, it's going to go directly right back to being level and perfectly square at all of the cross points as well. So if you need to do a manual line, so if you want an oblique line at an angle of some kind, you're not going to want to have it tipped and have it beeping at you the whole time. So one thing you can do is you can use the remote and do the push and hold the power button, and that's going to disable that beeping. And then you can use one of the tripod mounts or the wall mount, and you can actually get an angle any way you need so that you can get the line that you need. So right now I've got it attached to my wall using the magnetic wall mount because my door is metal, so it sticks to that. And right now you can see my lines are all over the place. This is just demonstrating that you can do angled lines if you want. You don't have to use the auto level featuring. I've got the alarm turned off. If I turn it back on, you're going to see, so it is telling me it is not level, and that's okay. You can use this without having the level feature on if you want to. This right here is showing the battery. So it's got 79% left, and if you have it plugged in, it's going to show here. And then right here, one other thing is you can adjust the brightness of the laser, or you can make it flash if you would like as well. So right here on the control panel, it's going to give you the percentage of the battery power remaining, as well as has the buttons for turning on and off the horizontal and vertical lines, as well as disabling the auto leveling alarm. And it also is where you can adjust the brightness of the line, so you can go a little bit dimmer, or you can put it into like a flashing mode if you need to do that, so you can see it easier outside. Turn it all back off just like that. So this is where all those are going to happen, as well as the remote buttons that line up correspond with the ones on the device itself. So you can run this off of the battery, but if the battery gets low, you can use the included charger, and there's a little plug right here directly on the battery, and you can just plug it in. So you can be having it charge while you're using it, or because it does come with 2 batteries, you can be using one and charging one at the same time. So I got everything put back in the case. The 16 line laser level is super nice. It's got lots of options for how you're going to have the lines set up. You can have it do auto leveling, or you can do manual lines if you need to do that as well. I like the fact that it comes with 2 batteries, so you can be using one while you're charging one. So I'd recommend this to anybody that does a lot of construction work and wants to have a nice high quality laser line to use with it.